Welcome back to Stardom, the one-of-its-kind countdown show where we are watching the unique and versatile actress Kajol up close and personal. Here she comes again, for your eyes only. Success is like an addiction. पर काजोल के लिए सक्सेस का एक ही मतलब है, to have the freedom of living life on her own terms. बॉलीवुड एक ऐसी जगह है जहां सक्सेस या फेलियर कुछ भी परमानेंट नहीं है. काजोल decided to break one more unwritten rule of Bollywood by taking a break at the zenith of her career.
आपको इतना काम ही नहीं करना चाहिए, काम कर करके आप इतने थक जाते हो कि अच्छे नहीं लगते.
She tied the knot with Ajay Devgan and went on a sabbatical when she was the top actress in Bollywood, and many times after that.
सबकी जिंदगी में बैलेंस जरूरी होता है.
After an almost 5-year sabbatical, Kajol decided to make a comeback on the silver screen with Fana opposite Aamir Khan. This film became a super hit, and it proved that Kajol's fan following was still intact. Money, success, fame, nothing could stop this girl. जो एक बार कुछ decide कर ले, तो फिर वो खुद की भी नहीं सुनती. But call it her luck or her sheer stardom, Kajol still remains a fan favorite despite her regular breaks from doing films. Every time she makes a comeback after a self-imposed time off, we get to see her in yet another power-packed avatar. Even though Kajol makes it look effortless. But if living life on your own terms was that easy, it wouldn't have made it to this countdown. जहां हमने इसको दिया है spot number 3. Kajol's name has become synonymous with unconventional looks. She has become what she is today, riding on her versatile acting skills.
मैंने पता नहीं इतना कुछ किया नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मैं इसकी हकदार हूँ.
Kajol is a director's delight and has delivered brilliant performances in every role she has done.
The biggest compliment that you can give an actor to say that when he surprises you, I think that's the best part of it.
A powerhouse of talent, Kajol can easily morph into any character that she is challenged with. उनकी ये flexibility उनको देती है a cutting edge over all her contemporaries. From serious tearjerkers to hilarious comic capers, she's done it all with the same ease. Her Simran from Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is still remembered as one of the finest performances of all time. To attain such finesse in acting and coming out as a winner is no easy task.
I'm very, very critical about myself. I don't think there can be anybody more critical about me than me.
Amidst the many, Kajol's natural acting style looks very fresh and different. And the very talented Miss Simran swoons away millions of young Rajas all over the world every time she appears in a movie. Kajol की बहुत बड़ी strength है उनका यही जबरदस्त talent, जो है हमारे आज की Stardom Countdown के second spot का दावेदार. क्या है काजोल का नंबर 1 Stardom? अभी जानेंगे, मगर उससे पहले एक क्विक सा recap. Kajol is Destiny's own child, क्योंकि being born in a prolific फिल्मी घराना, talent और acting है उनके genes में, जो है 10th spot पर. Kajol is headstrong, जो चाहती है पाकर ही रहती हैं. उनकी strong personality gets on to spot 9 in the Dum Countdown. Kajol's brand endorsing power है definitely बहुत high, और उसको मिलता है spot number 8 इस countdown में. बंदी ये बिंदास है, और इसलिए उनका बिंदास नेचर है number 7 पर. Her enviable friend circle is at number 6. Her undeterred love for her family makes it to number 5. अपने simple looks को लेकर काजोल हमेशा रही हैं comfortable, जो है number 4. काजोल को पसंद है अपनी जिंदगी अपनी शर्तों पर जीना, which makes up to spot number 3 on her Stardom. Kajol is a powerhouse of talent, और उनका यही talent है हमारे countdown पर number 2 पर. राज नरगिस, धर्मेंद्र हेमा और अमिताभ जया के बाद it's SRK and Kajol's on-screen pairing, which sizzles the screen like nobody's business. They make the most successful jodi of our times.
Because we kind of started off together and have learnt a lot from each other.
Whenever they come together, the gods smile at the box office. सिर्फ एक बार नहीं, बल्कि बार-बार इस जोड़ी ने प्रूव किया कि ऑन-स्क्रीन रोमांस हो तो बस SRK और काजोल जैसा. पहली बार अब्बास मस्तान की फिल्म बाजीगर में दिखे SRK और काजोल ने उसके बाद तो हिट्स की लाइन ही लगा दी. अपने यंग एंड एफर्वेसेंट रोमांस को एक कदम आगे बढ़ाते हुए ये जोड़ी दिखी करण जौहर की फिल्म माय नेम इज खान में और ये दिखा दिया कि इनकी केमिस्ट्री और चार्म आज भी है सिनेमा में अनपैरेलल्ड। अपनी फिल्म्स में रोमांस का जो जादू इन्होंने दिखाया वो शायद ही कोई और जोड़ी कभी दिखा पाएगी। द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट बोथ ऑफ देम आर हैप्पीली मैरिड एंड नेवर गॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन एनी कंट्रोवर्सी इन lieu of their on-screen pairing. This on-screen power couple have been voted the most romantic on-screen couple many times over. SRK और काजोल की ये terrific chemistry बनाती है sensational जोड़ी को an all-time favorite. And the numero uno duo also stands out as numero uno on our countdown tonight. The super successful SRK Kajol combo is the superstar stardom #1. Stars के हर कदम में होता है दम. That's what makes us celebrate their existence and their work. Celebrities, stars, their dum quotients and much more.